How's it going, everyone? So today's video, I'm actually going to check out a new project. Might come home with it, I don't know. You guys are probably going to be familiar with this car. This is the yellow S2000 that fell off a lift when it was getting a clutch job and ended up getting salvage titled and went to an auction and got picked up by somebody, but they don't want to take on the project. So I'm gonna go over there and take a look. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get any filming done while I'm there in front of this person, but I'm gonna go ahead, drive over, check it out, and might be a new project just to tinker around with. Let's go for a drive and we'll see what it's about. Like I said, I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys it, but I'll try to get footage and then we'll talk about it afterwards. All right, so here's the car, the one that fell off the lift. All the body panels are off. Here's the side damage, but probably review it more later. The seats are pulled. You pulled the seats because you're cleaning it, right?
Yeah.
You don't care about being on it?
No, yeah, you're good.
What's your channel again, too?
Samson Montoya. First and last name, you guys will find me.
All right, there we go. So I'm probably gonna pick this up off him. He already kind of took some of the parts off of it. Rear bumper's off, obviously. And front fenders, hood, everything you see off is pretty much what needs to be replaced. You said you have the front bumper, right?
Yeah, the front bumper.
But that one's, the front bumper's still okay, right?
It's got like a little bit of damage right here. And if somebody knows how to do body work, they can get it done. I can do it if needed, bro.
All right, we'll figure it out. That's pretty much it. The only weird things we were looking is like some of these sensors are loose or missing bolts and weird crap like that, but it starts, it runs.
Yeah, this is actually why it wouldn't start. These sensors weren't plugged in. They were actually hanging behind here, so I went to go crank it. It was just cranking, but it wouldn't start. So I figured it out, and I plugged it back in, and it started right up.
Yes, sir. So she runs, but the slave cylinder is hanging off the bottom, so we can't put it in gear or anything. But we'll mess with it more later. Definitely need some exhaust and probably a back rebar too, but I think what we're probably gonna do is put some over fenders on this just to hide some of this crap, but we'll decide later. But this is it. All right, check this thing out.
Oh, there's no key in it.
Ah. So it's twin turbo?
Yeah, twin turbo. Built by Sheepy built.
Yeah, it doesn't really sound that much different, even though it's got like 4-inch tips. All right, you guys, so that went very well. Super cool dude, and we're actually gonna do some collaboration stuff in the future once we get this thing up and running, and probably go drifting and a bunch of other cool stuff. So this worked out way better than I planned. I'm excited, but we're gonna probably pick it up tomorrow, and I'll give you guys more details. All right, right now we're just trying to get this thing off of the jack stands because she's up in there. We're using a couple sketchy ass jacks. Yeah, we need the wood from the back. Just two?
Yeah. Perfect.
I'm more curious how you got this thing up there, man. Hell yeah. All right. Is it? You might be able to just lift it. There. It's so light you can just lift it. All right, let's get this old girl out of here. All right, you guys, we got some parts over there. She's getting loaded up on the flatbed right now. We'll bring her home and start working on this new project. All right, there she goes, boys and girls. We'll see this thing back at the house. So we're back at home. S2000 is there. She's coming down. All right, you guys, so it's obviously back in the garage now, and I'm gonna do another video next on what condition everything is in, and we'll review everything and assess the damage as well. But I just wanted to show you guys the car, let you guys know that we have it now. And it's gonna be a really fun project. Like I said, we're gonna end up making this thing into a track car, more or less. So it's gonna be pretty fun. I plan on taking this thing to the track and doing a bunch of events with it and just really kicking the crap out of it is the idea and the plan. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, the good thing is most of the stuff is straight, and it's kind of a situation where we can just replace a lot of the panels. So like I said, I'll review that stuff with you guys later, but I've already assessed it fairly well, and we'll continue that assessment after. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be pretty much it. Like I said, we got some fun stuff on the way with this car. We're gonna document the entire build, you know, restoring the car, getting it back to roadworthiness, and getting it to the track and having some fun with it. That's the plan. I have big plans for it because, like I said, we're gonna put this thing to the test, and it's gonna be really fun going to the track and actually, you know, just slaying tires and doing all that other stuff that we can do with it. So I think at this point, I want to throw that out there. I'm kind of have two names. I want to call it Project Bonana or Mustard 2K. One of the two. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, or if you guys have any cool names for it. We'll come up with one, we'll stick to it, and we'll see the project through. Anyways, you guys, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that bell notification. We've done lots of projects in the past, and I had an S2000 before. I've actually had multiple of them, so I know these cars very well. And the last S2000 I had was 607 wheel horsepower. So who knows what we'll end up doing with this one, but stay tuned, you guys. Like I said, turn on that bell notification so you're notified of all the latest videos on this thing, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.